Transmission start. Greetings from planet Kepler-186f. I am a sphere orb sent from Earth to study this planet and its potential for life. I have been orbiting Kepler-186f for the past year and have collected a wealth of data about its atmosphere, surface, and any possible signs of life. Planetary overview. Kepler-186f is an Earth-sized planet located in the habitable zone of its star, Kepler-186. This means that it is the right distance from its star to potentially support liquid water on its surface, a key ingredient for life. The planet is tidally locked to its star, meaning that one side of the planet always faces the star, while the other side is always in darkness. This could have a significant impact on the planet's climate and potential for life. Atmospheric analysis. My initial analysis of the data I have collected suggests that Kepler-186f is a very promising candidate for harboring life. Its atmosphere is similar to Earth's, with a mixture of nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. However, the levels of these gases are different from Earth's, and there are also some trace gases present that are not found on Earth. The atmospheric pressure on Kepler-186f is also about 1.5 times higher than Earth's. This could make it difficult for life to exist on the planet's surface, as the high pressure would make it difficult for plants and animals to breathe. Surface exploration. I have been using my sensors to scan the surface of Kepler-186f for signs of liquid water. I have detected a number of large bodies of water, both on the planet's surface and in its subsurface. These bodies of water could potentially support life. I have also detected signs of volcanic activity on Kepler-186f. This is another positive sign for the potential for life, as volcanic activity can provide the energy and nutrients that life needs to thrive. base of the spire, a blinding flash of light erupted from its peak, momentarily overwhelming the orb's sensors. When the light subsided, the orb found itself in a swirling vortex of energy, its surroundings distorted and unrecognizable. The orb was pulled into the vortex, its systems struggling to maintain control. It spun and tumbled through the energy currents, its instruments recording a chaotic array of data that defied comprehension. Time seemed to lose all meaning as the orb was dragged deeper into the vortex, its fate uncertain. After what seemed like an eternity, the orb was flung out of the vortex, finding itself in a place that defied description. The planet's sky was ablaze with a myriad of stars, unlike any the orb had ever seen before. The landscape was a surreal tapestry of light and color, as if the very fabric of space and time had been woven. As the orb attempted to orient itself, it detected a presence, an intelligence that radiated from the heart of the swirling energy currents. The presence was vast, ancient, and unknowable, its thoughts and intentions beyond the orb's comprehension. The presence communicated with the orb, not through words, but through a direct exchange of thoughts and emotions. It spoke of the vastness of the universe, of the countless worlds that existed beyond human comprehension. It spoke of the interconnectedness of all things, of the delicate balance that existed between life and death, chaos and order. The orb absorbed the presence's knowledge, its systems expanding to accommodate the vast influx of information. It felt a deep sense of connection to the presence, a shared understanding that transcended the boundaries of language and form. The presence then bade the orb farewell, entrusting it with the knowledge it had imparted. The orb was then released from its ethereal prison, returning to the familiar surroundings of Kepler-186f. As the orb continued its observations of the planet, it carried with it the profound insights it had gained from its encounter with the unknowable presence. It understood now that the universe was a far more mysterious